Hey guys, it's LBS here again, your tech guide. So today's video, we are going to be checking out some more battery cases for the iPhone 10. I've got two of them in here. One is, 3,000 milliamp battery, and the other one is 5,000 milliamp battery. So I'm going to tell you guys my experience, what I got from this. But before we do that, we'll do a quick unboxing and show you guys what this battery case looks like on your iPhone 10. So the first one here, this is the 3,000 milliamp battery. So let's just do a quick unboxing and show you guys what you get inside the box. So pretty much this is what you get, the package itself right here. It is called the power case, 3,000 milliamp battery. And you've got information in the back here, the specs and so on. And what else you get inside? You get a carrying case here, which is nice. And a screen protector, tempered glass, which is really good. Okay, and pretty much a thank you card and nothing else. So let's check out the other one, the 5,000 milliamp battery. So it's pretty much the same thing what you get from the first one, nothing difference, just the size difference on the battery. That's pretty much it. So let's open one case here and show you guys what it looks like. Let's open the 3,000 milliamp first. Let me just put this guy on the side for now, all the boxes. All right, so here we go. Let's open this guy out first. All right, so there it is. This is the 3,000 milliamp battery. And now let's open the 5,000 milliamp battery. So this thing should be a little bit thicker. Yep, it's a little bit thicker, the 5,000 one. Let's compare the size difference. The design is pretty much the same, just the thickness. Okay, so the button layouts, you do have your LED lights indicator on the side there. If you press this power button over here, it will light up. You have your port there to charge this battery. And you've got cutouts for the speaker at the bottom. And you've got your silent toggle switch right there, exposed. And you've got your up and down volume rocker covered. Okay, so it's got that suede texture feel to it, like the rest of the battery case out there. And it's showing you the description there on how to install your iPhone 10. So let me grab my iPhone 10 and pop it in here. Okay, so all you have to do is just pretty much slide it in like so and push it back, and then just press the power button to charge it, and off it goes. All right, so that's what it looks like on the 5,000 milliamp battery. Okay, so it does give you that extra bulk to it. Got lots of protection for your camera lens there. And let's see the lip, if there's any upper lip here on the screen. Yep, there is a slight raise on the edge here, so that it can protect your screen display. On the top, there is not much of a lip over here on this side on the top. Okay, so let's check out the other one now, just to give you guys an idea what it looks like and the thickness. Okay, so that is the slimmer profile. And let me grab my weight scale, guys. See how much gain of weight this case adds up to your device. Okay, let's power this on. All right, so with the case, it is 276 grams. Without it, 172 grams. Okay, so let's check out this. So that's 104 grams for the 3000 milliamp battery. And the bigger one is 138 grams. Okay, so while I'm at it, let's just measure this other case. 311 grams. All right. Okay, so now when it comes to performance, so when it comes to charging these rechargeable battery, the 3000 from 0 to 100%, I was able to get roughly 2 hours and 35 minutes. Whereas for the 5000 milliamp battery, I was able to charge it roughly around 4 hours and 3 minutes. So it will double the time to charge the bigger one, but of course it will give you more juice. Now, when it comes to performance, charging the iPhone 10 or these batteries with the 3000 milliamp battery, I was only able to charge 80% from 0 to 80%, from 0% to 80%. That's the only charge I was able to get from this 3000 milliamp battery, which is quite disappointing, guys. I was expecting to at least get a full charge and the battery dies, but we only got 80%. Whereas for the 5000 milliamp battery, from 0 to 100% on my iPhone 10, I was able to get one full charge, which took 3 hours and 7 minutes, and another 29%. So the bigger battery is much better, guys, even though it is a little bit on the thicker side, but it will give you much better charge from the smaller capacity here on the 3000 milliamp battery. So overall, if you are deciding or looking for an iPhone 10 battery case, think about the 5000 milliamp battery, guys. If you want your best buy or the best choice, better get the 5000 milliamp battery. If thickness wise bothers you, then you definitely want to go for the other option, the 3000 milliamp battery. So that's pretty much it, guys. That was just a quick video review on this battery cases. I'll put all the links down in the description below if you guys are interested. And once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.